Welcome to Sri Lanka's beautiful world of flowering plants. In this video, you are looking at the double hibiscus, scientifically known as Hibiscus rosa sinensis. This stunning ornamental plant is widely grown throughout Sri Lanka for its large, vibrant red, double-petaled flowers. It thrives in warm, tropical climates, enjoys full sunlight, and grows best in well-drained soil with regular watering. With proper care and occasional pruning, the plant produces abundant blooms throughout the year. The double hibiscus is commonly propagated through stem cuttings and is a favorite choice for home gardens, temples, schools, and public landscapes. Its rich color and elegant flowers make it one of the most admired ornamental plants in Sri Lanka. Thank you for watching.